All right, it is chilly this morning. Maybe the cold will help you wake you up this morning. It is mild downtown at 62 degrees, but go up north into Poway where it is 48 degrees, 45 in Ramona, 50 in El Cajon. So definitely another day to dress in layers. Grab that jacket for the morning. By this afternoon, you won't need it, but remember to bring it home with you if you're going out to work or school, because you're going to need it again tonight into tomorrow morning. In fact, Kalina was just asking me, is it going to be cold every morning this week? Yes, it is. We're going to see those clear skies. In fact, temperatures 16 degrees cooler in some of our mountain areas, and the red arrows indicate those Santa Ana conditions. So offshore winds, they won't be as strong. The red flag warning has expired, but winds are still coming out of the east-northeasterly direction. That's going to continue to usher in dry and breezy, occasionally breezy conditions. The strongest winds will be in our valleys and mountains as this setup really continues through Friday. Winds will actually pick up slightly on Friday when we may see gusts up to about 40, maybe 50 miles per hour in some of our more wind-prone areas. But generally, we're talking about northeasterly winds between about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Again, that's going to be in the valleys and our mountains. Temperatures will be climbing through Saturday, and we're still watching that chance for showers, maybe pop-up thunderstorm near the mountains on Sunday. Right now, it's looking like that moisture is mainly going to be staying north of San Diego County, but of course, I'll keep my eyes on it. No worry about rain along our coastline, 70s and 80s this week. If you're thinking about getting that car wash, go right ahead. Inland neighborhoods, we're going to be flirting with the 90s by Saturday. Sunday, we'll start to see some more clouds building in, but again, that looks like that moisture is mostly going to be staying to our north of us. We'll continue to watch that, though. Temperatures climb near 70 degrees by Saturday in our mountains, and we'll be in the 90s then in our deserts.